Look at the amount of views this video's got. Almost every video is pulling in millions of views. Channels like Rico Animations have built audiences of millions of subscribers simply by posting Stickman animation videos. And not only this channel, countless creators are making thousands of dollars every month by creating this exact style of content. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how you can create these viral Stickman animation videos much faster using Vexub. First of all, head over to vexub.com, log into your account, click create a video and select text to video. Next, choose the horizontal format for a long form YouTube video and continue to the next step. Since this is a faceless video, simply skip the animated narrator and choose an AI voice that matches your storytelling style. Now enter your video title or topic. Now stick figure videos normally used for motivational or inspirational videos. It will depend on your idea actually which niche you want to work with. For this example, we'll use life lessons everyone learns too late. Now click on generate script and within seconds Vexub will generate a complete video script. If you would like to, you can edit the script or replace it with your own version before moving on. Now it's time to create the visuals. Go to the custom image style section and describe the Stickman style you want. You can specify simple black Stickman characters, clean white background, expressive emotions, smooth animations, and any other details you would like. This helps keep your character and overall style consistent throughout the video. We can use this prompt. Once everything is ready, click Start Generation. Within a few minutes, Vexub automatically generates every scene, creates the visuals, adds AI voice narration, synchronizes the scenes, includes subtitles, and produces a complete Stickman animation video without requiring multiple AI tools or manual editing. When the generation is finished, preview your video.
Life goes by way too fast. You wake up one day, and suddenly, you're faced with regrets. Those moments when you wished you had taken that leap, made that call, or simply enjoyed the ride. Life teaches hard lessons, but often they hit us too late. You think you have time.
If you want to improve anything, you can regenerate individual scenes, replace visuals, edit subtitles, change the narration, or make any final adjustments directly inside Vexub. Once you are happy with the result, simply export the video. Or with the Vexub's latest feature, you can connect your YouTube or TikTok account and publish the video instantly, or even schedule it to be uploaded automatically at your preferred date and time. And that's it. Instead of switching between ChatGPT, image generators, animation tools, text-to-speech software, and video editors, Vexub handles the entire workflow in one place, making it incredibly fast and easy to create high-quality Stickman animation videos ready to publish. Go and check out Vexub with their free credit, and if you are happy, you can choose one of their subscription packages. If you face any problem, let me know through the comment section. That's all for today's video. I will catch you in the next one.